Icons have a significant role in giving you the first impression of your device's user interface. Android is all about flexibility and customization. You can choose to change the appearance of your home screen, or you can completely change your phone's default icons. Now there are tons of icon packs at the Google Play Store, and the number is increasing drastically, which poses the difficulty of selecting the right icon pack. And that's exactly why in this video I'm going to showcase some of the best icon pack that you should try in 2021. Excited? So let's get started. Beeline is a minimal icon pack where the icons are designed with simple linear lines. The icon pack contains numerous catchy icons that will sync with every kind of launcher and home screen. You get more than 2100 icon packs in Beeline along with the matching wallpaper collection. You also get access to alternative icon packs for your system apps and other popular apps. Beeline also supports Musi Live wallpaper and dynamic calendar features. The app comes with frequent updates so that you are not bored with existing set of wallpapers and icons. Now this is a paid application, and the developer of this app was kind enough to share 30 promo codes that I'll be giving on first come first serve basis. You just have to follow ExtremeDroid on Instagram and send me a personal message and tell me the name of the app of which you want the promo code. That's it. Foxbit is a versatile and one of the best customization apps for Android. The app comes with more than 1500 icons, 40 plus wallpaper and a dynamic calendar that is compatible with almost all the launchers. You get cartoonish style icons that are crafted in different flat style icons which are filled in radiant color. The icon has unique shapes that are coupled with different color textures which makes the app different. The colorful icons, soft shadow and the high quality design gives an innocent look to your device. But it's the simple and plain look which set it apart from the other Android icon pack and themes. Next up we have Abstract Icon Pack. The name of this icon pack sounds similar to the word abstract, and that is what the main focus of this icon pack. Each of the icon pack of Abstract is a unique abstract clone of your existing icon. The best part about this icon pack is that it keeps updating its slot of icons every 3 months. You also get minimalist and catchy backgrounds in this icon pack, which makes it more appealing. The icon pack is compatible with almost all the launchers. Linux icon pack comes loaded with more than 5000 icon packs that have a perfect masking system and cool wallpaper collection. You also get lots of alternative icons that can be applied on the home screen of your device. The icons are designed in a minimalistic design that has an eye-catching background. Besides this, the icon pack offers you features like a material dashboard, custom folder icons, custom app drawers icon, and category-based icons. Crayon. The word in itself sounds very creative and innovative. The Crayon icon pack is a collection of some of the finely crafted icons that are made for every mood. The app has more than 5000 icons to choose from across different categories. The app has custom folder icons that can be used for each set of folders on your smart device. The pastel and crayon style icons on the screen will add a lively effect to your device. You can get access to high quality wallpapers that can be applied on the home screen along with the Crayon icon pack. The icon is compatible with all the leading launcher on the Play Store. Icon is the next icon app that has more than 5600 icons and 5800 themed apps. Icons are designed in a circular shape which makes it compact and easy to fit on the home screen. Apart from this, you get 40 UHD wallpaper to choose from. Additionally, app drawer icons and dynamic calendar support is also available. The thing to keep in mind before using this icon pack is that you need third-party launcher to make it operative. The icon pack is compatible with all the leading launchers like Nova, Action, Apex, etc. Viral icon pack is for those who love dark themes. This best Android icon pack is designed to suit the dark theme devices, which offers 4000 plus icons to choose from. Viral also provides 200 plus HD wallpapers from where you can choose the best suited wallpaper for your home screen. This icon pack also allows you to customize wallpapers according to your taste and suitability. The Nova Dark Icon Pack would be a good choice for the user who often use dark themes on their home screen. The icons would also go well with light themes, but it works best with the dark. The app contains 2200 rounded square icons that will certainly match your AMOLED screen. Apart from this, you get 18 wallpapers and 11 KWGT widgets to choose from for your home screen. The app contains alternate icons for many popular apps that you usually use on your smartphone. You get folder icons, masking of unthemed icons and dynamic calendar icons in this app. Aim to provide a fresh makeover to your device, Borelli's Icon Pack is the next on our list. The app has collection of fresh and finely crafted icon packs for users. You get access to more than 2000 high-quality icons and 48 high-quality cloud-based wallpapers. The intuitive and catchy dashboard of this icon pack is one of the key highlights to look for. You can also request for your favorite unthemed app icons through Icon Request. CandyCons is an animated icon pack designed based on Google's Material Design language. It supports over 1000 icons, which is an extravagant number. It also has a dynamic Google Calendar and a blueprint dashboard. Lastly, you will get multiple color variants of a single icon. Delta is one of the most popular icon packs amongst the Nova Launcher theme out there. Delta offers you a wide choice to choose from. It offers you 2000 plus icons, which is compatible on multiple kind of launchers. Its popularity speaks as Delta has over 1 million plus downloads, courtesy of its compatibility with different kind of launchers, and is one of the main reason it has managed to make it to our best Android icon pack list. The icons are perfectly designed, which suits every kind of color contrast, especially display with bright color combinations. Developed by Just New Designs, Redline Icon Pack has more than 4700 icons to choose from. The icon pack has a perfect masking system for unthemed icons, which will go well with your home screen. The icon pack has alternate icons for system apps and other apps installed on your device. Redline has Material Dashboard, custom folder icons, category-based icons, and custom app drawers icon. You can make an icon request on the app according to your preference. So guys, these are some of the best icon pack that you should definitely try in 2021. Which of the above mentioned icon you like the most? Do you think we have missed any icon pack from the list? Do let us know that in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.